Hi all from Lake Washington Institute of Technology, and happy Manufacturing Day. We're very excited to share what we do with all of you. I'm Steven from the Machine Technology Department.
That's right, and I'm Sarah Mason from the Welding Department, and we know you're really busy today, especially the high school students who are just getting back to school.
So we wanted to take a minute to come to you. I am Neha from Electronics Technology Program.
The world is changing and manufacturing with it. We at LWTech are preparing students for today's careers and tomorrow's opportunities, both here at home, in Washington, and all over the world.
Teaching the traditional skills as well as the technologies, students leave Lake Washington with the tools they need to create long, high-earning careers in today's most needed industries.
We know a manufacturing day isn't enough for you, so we hope you will join us all year long. We're excited to host do-it-yourself events, such as Bring a Friend to a Class Day, Women Who Weld, Open House, going into the high school classes, and more, including a manufacturing day half later this year.
And we hope to see you there. Manufacturing is not only an important industry for the US, but also a great career for those who like to learn by doing and enjoy a challenge for both their hands and their brains as you create a real, tangible product.
So come and say hi.
We would love to see you on campus, and we hope to see you out in the community all year long.